Can you approve Ellie's request?
Why's your car humming?
The car's broke.
Oh Dios, le vas a dar el freno.
I'm trying to avoid people from hitting me.
What the hell? Can you get out of this lane?
I'm going to.
Like,
People are coming up fast.
I never come on this line because of that. What the hell are they doing? What is this guy doing? Te lo está dando el teléfono. Mira, te va a dar, Freddy. The fuck are you doing, dude? I'm about to freaking report him. PDC G29. Mira.
What the hell is going on with him?
Ay, Dios mío, le va a dar el carro. Do you have the non-emergency? Shoot, and I didn't take, what is his driver's license?
You want me to do it?
I mean, you llama entonces, and I'll give you the, what was it, PDG? What was it, PDG? Shit, everybody see where his license plate is. Let me see. Voy a tomar una foto. Mira. What? He's like, he is like this. He is not driving straight. Él le va a dar a alguien. Oh my god. What the hell is wrong with this man? Qué mierda. I really wish that I would have taken a picture. Do you remember the license plate?
Hi there. I'm driving northbound on 301 just past Sims, and there's a vehicle that has zigzagged off and on, and he just stopped in the middle of the road. He's driving very, very erratically.
Okay, let me just transfer you up to dispatch so you can get a deputy out there.
Thank you.
The Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office. The call is important to us and will be answered in the order in which it was received. If you have an emergency, please hang up and dial 911.
Oh my god, it's about to hit him.
Thank you. Usted ha llamado a la oficina de
I
la
have to catch up so I can
policía.
record.
Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, Deputy Reaver.
Hi there. I am headed northbound on 301, coming up to Gibsonton Drive. I've been following a gray car who's been driving very erratically. They've gone off to the shoulder twice. They've stopped in the middle of the road twice. It's just
Zigzagging.
Yeah, they're zigzagging in the lane. Now they're coming to a stop again in the middle of the road. It's a Toyota, plate number Toyota Camry. Papa.
Okay, and you said you're on 301.
301 northbound. They're stopping again here, slowing down. We're right by Jules Car Wash.
What's the closest cross street?
301 and Boyette.
You said it's a white Toyota?
No, it's a dark gray Toyota Camry.
He's gonna hurt somebody the way he's driving.
Northbound.
Yes. I'm following behind in a white Ford Explorer. And I'm recording also. Yeah, the light's green and they're just stopped. I see there's a passenger also in the car. Light's still green and they're just stopped.
I think he knows that you're recording or something.
I'm not sure. But multiple cars have passed and they're just stopped here. Now they're taking off. They just zigzagged a little bit. Now they're accelerating pretty quickly. Going about 45.
What's your cell phone number?
8. We just passed. Yep, we just passed Boyette. I don't know if they're arguing. I see like the driver's head is like jumping up and down. I don't know if they're arguing or dancing.
Hello?
Yes.
Hi, this is Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, Dispatcher 74. I do have to advise you, do not break any traffic laws.
I'm not.
Put yourself in a dangerous situation.
Yep.
Or, okay. You do not need to continue to follow this vehicle.
But can I if I wish to?
If you want to, yes.
Okay.
That's totally up to you.
Okay.
What cross street are you coming up to?
I'm about to come up to Bomb Riverview, right before the bridge. Still northbound.
301?
Yep.
Well, they want
Okay, do
footage.
you see a deputy?
I do not. We're stuck in a little bit of congestion here.
Is the vehicle right in front of you?
Yes. We're on the outer lane going northbound.
I'm proud of Boyd's Auto Center. It doesn't matter.
Okay, hold on. Okay, and it's a gray Toyota Camry, right?
Correct. We're stopped at the light again. Still right. Just.
Did you say they're right in front of you?
They're right in front of me. Yep. We are stopped at the red light in front of Advanced Auto Parts.
We're in a white
I think
Ford.
I see the sheriff parked at Advanced Auto
Yes,
Auto
right there.
Parts.
Tell them what car we're in. And tell them in front.
Okay, what kind of car are you in?
A white Ford Explorer.
They're behind a flatbed.
Okay. Letting the deputies know he might. How many cars are you from how many cars is he from the actual stoplight?
Approximately 10. Right in front of the car. Right in front of the car. There's two like crash cars being towed. So there's a tow truck in front of him,
Flatbed.
then him, and I'm behind them in a white Explorer. Yeah. And if any evidence is needed, I have a dash cam recording.
Okay, did the light turn green yet?
No, not yet.
Okay.
And if this is the officer, I'll let him pull in front of me.
Well, if you see an officer that's going to pull in front of you, I need you to let him in.
Of course. I see an officer kind of just in the parking lot of Advanced Auto Parts. Their lights are not flashing. They're just kind of hanging tight.
God, that light takes forever.
Yeah. Light just turned green.
Let me know when you cross it.
Yep. Sheriff just pulled in front of me, following the car,
Okay.
and we're crossing the intersection now.
Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and let you go since the deputy's behind him now. Okay?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. No blinker. Turned. 3 lanes.
Yeah,
Holy
they're
shit.
definitely trying to run away.
They just cut over fucking 3 lanes and again. Bam!
Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! You got it on camera. Oh my god, sorry. Oh my god.
They just went over 3 lanes and back with no signal.
They were freaking me out. It's like, oh my god,
They're not stopping.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's a drive. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're taking off. Sorry. Okay, I'm keeping moving. Keep it moving.
Yeah, they're not fucking turning up. They're not pulling over. I am.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh no, they're pulling over. They're pulling over.
What do you want me to do?
Sure. Yeah, we'll pull into Sweetie's. Just act like you're really into Sweetie's. Just pull